Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I wanted to sit down with you and share with you my hair journey because I get a lot of questions almost every single day about my hair, what products I use, and how I get it so healthy. Throughout this video, I'm going to try and insert some photos for you as well, just to show you a few of the before photos because my hair hasn't always been this healthy. So if we go way back to when I was little, I had long hair. And then I cut it short, like really short. And I think that was kind of the problem in getting my hair to grow back, because then I became more conscious at that age of what I look like, and I started straightening my hair to go to school. Probably from when I was like in year 7 till year 12, I would straighten my hair every single day. And over time, obviously this took a toll on my hair, and it meant that my hair wasn't able to grow. Throughout all these years, I was also putting color in my hair, which probably didn't help either. And then when I got my first full-time job, this is when my hair started to grow because I wasn't wearing it down and straightened every single day. I was tucking it away in a neat little bun, and because I was doing this, it meant I was able to not straighten it, so I would just let my hair air dry. So I would straighten it on the top but not on the bottom, so that from what you could see here, my hair wasn't frizzy or anything, it still looked nice, but then in the bun, for the majority of the hair, I wasn't applying heat. And from doing this, I started noticing that my hair was growing and growing and growing. Then I got to the point where my hair was really long, but it wasn't healthy. And I think this was because of the dye and not using the correct hair products. So when I turned 21, I remember I dyed my hair quite light. So all the way from top to bottom, I dyed it a really light brown. And from doing this and then applying heat to it and everything like that, because it was 21st season, we had a lot of events on and we're going out all the time, and I was straightening my hair all the time and curling it all the time. But I wasn't using heat protectors, I wasn't using hair masks, I wasn't using oil, so I wasn't using the correct products for my hair. So over time, this damaged my hair. So you'll notice, if I've already inserted a photo or I'll insert another one of my hair, it was long, but it was really thin. And you could see that I had split ends all at the ends of my hair, and it just wasn't really healthy. Then around 1 year ago, I came across DNA Organics. And this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just telling you because this is what has helped me, and I get a lot of questions about my hair, so I want to help you. When I came across DNA Organics, I came across a whole range of products which I was not using into my everyday hair care routine. And this is something that I've mentioned in an Instagram post, is that a lot of people, everyone or most people, have a skincare routine, but I don't think many people have a hair care routine, and I think this is really important to healthy hair. So a few things that I've changed: I have a few different shampoos that I use according to what I'm after. So at the start, I was just using the nourishing shampoo and conditioner, and I think this is something that helped bring so much moisture back to my hair because my hair was so dry. Even now you can see it in the light, it's hitting the light. And if this was my hair like over a year ago, you would have seen all split ends, but now it's just literally just healthy hair. The other thing, which is probably the biggest thing, has been using hair masks. So I think it's around once a week I'm using a mask, and this one here is my absolute favorite mask. And if you are going to try any products from DNA Organics, try this one. Everyone that I have recommended this product to and that has tried it, they have fallen in love and are buying this product in bulk. Other products which are really important, which I've been incorporating into my hair care routine, are products like heat protectors, oils. So for me, I really only add heat to my hair once a week. When I don't, if I wash my hair, I will let it air dry and make sure I apply an oil. Although it's important that if you are going to add heat to your hair, you don't add the oil, otherwise you're pretty much frying your hair. So only add the oil if you're not going to apply heat after. Then I also use products like the Spray Shine Argan Oil to make my hair shiny. So after I style my hair, I spray it with some argan oil. Then I've also collected some different shampoos for different occasions. So I have a shampoo and conditioner for colored hair. So if I dye my hair, then I use that one every now and then just to boost the color. Then I have a shampoo and conditioner for dry scalp. So if my scalp gets a little bit dry, then I have that one which I can go to. Then I have one for volume, so if I want a little bit more oomph in my hair, then I can go for that one there. Then I also have a UV guard, so if I know I'm going to be out in the sun all day, I can apply that, which is like a sunscreen for your hair. The list just goes on and on and on. They have something for everything. They even have like the powder to add to your hair to make it stay up more as well. Hold on, I'm going to try and see if we can move back to this side, because I think otherwise I'm going to be down here in a second. Okay, I think that's a bit better. I'm kind of like in between two here, so if I stay here, I think we should be okay. So again, just think of it like skincare. So if you want to have good skin, you will use good skincare to look after your skin. And if you want good hair, you need to look after your hair and put the right products into your hair. So I think that pretty much sums up my hair journey. As always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, as I would be more than happy to answer anything for you. And if you enjoyed this style of video, then please let me know by liking it. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.